is a great organization and event for top producing agents here in Chicago. We love Andy, we love your events, and thank you so much for inviting us again.
Hi, it's Andrew Danner with Chicago Building Inspections here at the Real Producers event at Avondale Bowl. Having a great time on a Friday afternoon. Come and join us for the next event. If you need a home inspection, call CBI.
Andy, just wanted to say thanks to you and the whole Real Producers crew. Another great event here at Avondale Bowl. Thank you for all your support, all your sponsors. We love your whole crew, and can't wait to see you at the next one.
Hi, I'm Sherry Casella with Haven Home Staging, and we are a preferred partner with Chicago's Real Producers. We love being a part of the community, and we're looking forward to the next event.